All right, good morning, everyone. I'm Mr. Underwood, and I have the pleasure of introducing you to 21 amazing sixth graders. So without further ado, let's begin. Introducing first, this woman would rather jump long and high like a kangaroo instead of climbing trees like a monkey. She stands 5 feet 1 inch tall. Harry Potter is the most interesting book she has ever read. Hailing from Kentfield, California, Megan Bergman. Next up, this amazing lady has a unique talent and can impersonate birds. She also stands 5 feet 1 inch tall. Doing a dance routine is what she would do if we had a talent show this year at DIS. Hailing from Sunnyvale, California, Lillian Kai. Next up, this unbelievable woman would love her alarm clock to release lavender in the air instead of the annoying buzzing sound to wake her up. She stands 5 foot 2 inches tall. Visiting New Mexico is high on her bucket list of states she would like to visit. Hailing all the way from Bedford, Texas, Lily Davis. This marvelous man is looking forward to grilled hot dogs most of all this upcoming summer. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall. He is most curious about learning how to draw a perfect circle when he gets older. Hailing from the Woodlands, Texas, Hudson Eccles. This groovy girl would rather see dogs pulling Santa's sleigh than reindeers. She stands 5 feet 1 inch tall. If lawns could grow in another color besides green, she would like for him to be periwinkle. Hailing from Grapevine, Texas, Piper Frierson. This remarkable young man would rather travel back into the past to see what life was like instead of seeing his future. He stands 5 feet 1 inch tall. Asteroids are what he is most fascinated with in outer space. Hailing from Silver Springs, Maryland, Zach Adonis Funtum. This spectacular man wants nothing more than for the world to turn back into the Wild West again. He stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. If this guy could draw professionally, his main theme would be himself because in his own words, I'm beautiful. Hailing from Orlando, Florida, Nate Gillette. He once said, of all the crayons in the box, orange is the one that he would like to get rid of. He stands 5 feet 0 inches tall. When you see him in a few years representing the USA in the Olympics, you can catch him flying high on the pole vault. Hailing from Grapevine, Texas, the phenomenal Christian Heidkamp. If this gracious man could rename South Lake, he would name it Demiville. He stands 5 foot 1 inch tall. When given the task of making the ultimate sandwich, this guy would load it up with steak, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Hailing from Montevideo, Uruguay, Dimitri Karmas. Came a long way for this. If this fascinating guy could have something besides rain or snow that could fall occasionally from the sky, he would want it to be lemonade. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall. A guitar is a musical instrument that best describes his personality. Hailing all the way from across the pond, London, England, Peter Kelly. If this vivacious young lady could simply blink her eyes 3 times and be anywhere in the world, she would like to go to the Bahamas. She stands 5 feet 2 inches tall. Her favorite sound is bubble wrap popping because it sounds so good. Hailing from Chicago, Illinois, Jenna Kaloff. This wonderful young man would like to take a helicopter to school instead of arriving in a car or bus. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall. If he could have one superpower, what would he want it to be? Flying, of course. Hailing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Charlie Kulak. This fabulous guy would find burgers the most difficult to give up for one entire year. He stands 5 feet 0 inch tall. If he could train any wild animal to be a good house pet, he would choose an otter. Hailing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Brady Merritt. If given the opportunity to have inside his home any feature that is normally a part of the natural outdoors, this glorious guy would choose a hurricane. He stands 5 feet 3 inches tall. When asked what sound can you imitate the best, his response was, I can imitate a Johnny. Hailing from Southlake, Texas, Dylan Morris. If given the opportunity, this bodacious dude would like to put his dog Nemo's face on a new dollar bill. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall. Mimbing is something that he forgets to do more than anything else. Hailing from Mays Landing, New Jersey on the East Coast, Jonathan Padano. If this swell guy could have any round object in the world, make it a basketball, he says. He stands 5 feet 2 inches tall. When asked what sound can he best imitate, his response is, sheesh! Hailing from Detroit, Michigan, Krish Pinamarthi. If this delightful dude were in a trivia contest, what category would he totally dominate? Greek mythology. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall. When asked if you could be shrunk down to 1 inch for a day, what would you think would be the most interesting place to explore? His response was this. I know it sounds really disgusting, but I want to get in a mini submarine and get flushed down the toilet just to see where I end up. Hailing from Syracuse, New York, Jonathan Phillips. This legendary lad said he would rent out Disney World if he and a few of his best friends could have any place in the world completely to themselves for one day. He stands 4 feet 10 inches tall. Celery is the one vegetable that he would never, ever have to eat again. Hailing from North Richland Hills, Jad Shahade. This majestic man would love to create an all-new Olympic sport of chess. He stands 4 feet 8 inches tall. If he had to spend a week studying something in nature, what in the wild would he want to study? Flowers, he says. Hailing from Athens, Texas, Ritpa Walia. This tremendous guy would love to jump into the pages of Harry Potter more than any other book. He stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. He would thoroughly love to take a train ride across Europe. Hailing from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Michael Williams. And finally, this thrilling chap, you can tell that by the way he is dressed, is looking forward the most to spending more times on his Xbox this summer. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall. Friday by Rebecca Black is his favorite song of all time. Hailing from A-Town, Atlanta, Georgia, Luke Wilson. And I want to leave you with my favorite quote. Love this one. It says, to the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. Thank y'all very much.